Hello everyone, welcome to Nepbot's tutorial series for using Discord. Today I'm going to show you how to create a channel on Discord. By default you'll have two general channels in both the text and voice categories, so these will already be here. To create a new channel, we open the toggle here and click on Create a Channel. Decide whether it's going to be a text channel or a voice channel. So, text channels are spaces where people chat via text messages. To organize the conversations, different channels are usually created for people to talk over different topics, while voice channels are places where people have voice or video chats or do live streaming. You don't have to start a call, all you have to do is enter the channel and join the chat. Give your channel an easy and clear name so people can easily find where to go. Click on Create Channel and then you'll have your channel. You can also create a channel by simply right-clicking and choosing Create a Channel or by clicking the plus icon. Here you can enable the private channel option to make it only accessible to certain roles. You'll notice that there's a small lock on the channel, which means it's a private channel exclusive to this role. You can also create a category for channels. Right-click on the space, select Create a Category, enter a name, decide whether it's public or private, and create it. If I create another channel under this category, it will sync the permissions from the category by default. Okay, so that's how to set up a channel. Thank you for watching.